Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, so that we understand how to go about it and see if we can have some trading activities tonight. Okay, so this is very important because I usually use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. For those of you that are just joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we'll be checking out the assets out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance of the analysis will depend on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course, just the way we have seen it, I'm using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do analysis right here. So right from this resistance zone, it started selling. You can see selling and selling. It has got into this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it pulled back up, but was unable to go beyond this resistance zone, so it is trying to go down again. So it might be trying out the support zone again. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back up to try out this resistance zone again. Okay, so if it breaks out above this, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so this might be buying more even though it is still selling at the moment, but the selling activities might not go for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break below the support zone before if it's unable to break below the support zone, then it will definitely go back into a buy trend. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. Just where we have seen it, it's been on downtrend for a very long time. It has gotten to this support zone, so it will be buying more at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The trend is just starting, so it might be going for a very long time. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. This has been crashing down for a very long time, but it has gotten to this support zone, so it's starting an uptrend right out at the moment, so it will be buying more right away. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, guys. It's going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So now let's check out crash 500 right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500. This has been on downtrend for a very long time, but the market has been playing within this region for long. It has got into this support zone again, and of course it will be buying for a while. It's actually trying to go back on uptrend, but it needs to break out above this particular resistance zone before it can go fully on uptrend. Okay, if it's finding it difficult to break out above this, then definitely it will still be playing around that region. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so this period is very important. It needs to break out above this. Once it breaks out above this, then definitely it will need to break out above this too. So this is going to be going on buy trend, and of course it might need to obey those rules before to overcome those conditions before it goes into buy trend fully. Okay, then the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is volatility 75, still on 5-minute time frame. Of course, this is the situation of things at the moment. It went on buy trend at the moment at around here, and of course got to this resistance zone, pullback, when got there again, and of course was unable to break out from that resistance zone, from this particular resistance zone. Okay, so it came back on downtrend again. It came back on downtrend again, and of course got to this support zone, and ever since it has been moving within this channel, guys. It has been moving within this channel, so it needs to break out either above it or below it to continue with the trend. So it has been buying, selling, until it is able to break out either above this or below this. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you should wait for the breakout from the channel. Wait for the breakout from the channel. Okay, breakouts from the channel. Okay, so once that happens, it will let you know how the direction of the market. Okay, that will help you to know if it's going to go for long in that direction or not. But it is most likely it breaks out above the resistance zone, because it is already from the support zone, and it's trying to go back into a buy trend. Okay, so that is it, but you should wait for the breakout anyway before you can decide on that. So I will be stopping right here. Just like you guys have known, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are online now and if you are watching this video, if you are going to be trading tonight, make sure you trade carefully using the analysis. And of course, if you are yet to perfect a trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand the strategies, share the practice and perfect a trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.